you home.
Hi guys! When the blade shop because I just get it. We gonna get it. And look guys! He's making something look like a donut or look like a roll. This croissant. Yeah. And then I got the drum.
Mina, baby. Gracias.
I got the guitar.
Oh, guitar ikaw. And then, what do you have now?
Croissant.
Croissant, okay? Eat your croissant.
I want to eat it. I need. Oh no! It's 100.
Okay, it's okay. We're not going in there.
Ven para acá, ven para acá. Venga para acá a la vuelta. A la vuelta del metro, venga.
Nak.
Uh-oh.
Yummy, Nak. And kay Mami naman ay coffee with rolletos. Ayan. Oh, smile na kasi picture ako. Smile muna.
No había nadie. No había nadie.
Okay, so let's eat guys. Dito kami sa bake shop kasi merienda muna kami ni Carissa. And kaya kami naligaw dito or napunta kasi bumili pa ako ng scotch tape dahil naubusan ako. So tumigil muna yung pagbabagahe kasi naubusan ako ng scotch tape. Si Carissa ay kumakain ng croissant. And bumili siya ng guitar mula sa kanyang money.
Yeah, but guys, the buyer is stinger, sir. It cannot go to the London or gonna huli the police.
Kasi ang pinili niya guys yung malaking toy. Sabi namin wag yan kasi hindi tayo makakasakay sa airport. Huli tayo ng pulis. Ayan, pinili niya.
Only this. Because our daddy will love this music.
Okay, daddy will love it. So let's eat guys.
But there's no school in that.
Shout out pala kay sis Sweet Kelly in Spain. Andito ulit ako. Kasi gusto niya ng Mexicana cafe. So next time sis, magsabi lang kayo. Ngayon busy pa ako.
Pero salimos nosotros y bajamos.
Dito na kami sa Metro Station ng 4 Caminos. Papunta kami Tetuan. Si Carissa nakanta. Oh.
Hey guys, I'm using this guitar right now.
Okay.
I done eating in the bakery. That was so tasty. The croissant.
Okay.
And I got stupid pajamas.
Huwag ka maingay. Oh, sige na. Play the guitar for mommy. Come on.
Twinkle, twinkle, little star, how I wonder what you are. How what the high, like a diamond in the sky. Twinkle, twinkle, little star, how I wonder what you are.
Ano pa? Upside down. Sa TikTok.
Upside down, rising on the ceiling. Inside down, straight to the ceiling. Up, up, then, did I say to? I up to you. You can't tell it to you.
Ang galing. Ano pa?
How many minutes? Why it to have minutes here in the
Because
top?
it's under construction.
Oh, because they have wires.
Yeah, they don't have wire yet. Oh, come on. The other song.
Upside
Hindi,
down.
tapos na yung upside down. Yung another song. Dali. Dali.
I'm lying.
Yung... Du, 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 du. Du, 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 du.
No.
Okay, so, yun lang muna guys. Don't touch your eyes, your face. Sana sa labas ta. So, yun lang muna guys, update. So, nag-aantay pa kami ng train. So, later ulit guys. Hi guys! Andito kami ulit ni Carissa sa park at kami lang dalawa kaya safe. Walang tao. See? Taran! Taran! Woo! Nakbasa dyan ah. Ayan, alam siya sa akin mag-park kami. Sabi ko, sige, kumain ka muna ng dinner sa Fabiola. And kumain ka ng madami para pag-park kita. So sabi ko, 5 minutes. Sabi niya, can you make it 10 minutes? Ko, sige, mali ba naman niya?
I want 10 minutes.
Ha?
I want 10 minutes. Daddy is calling.
Okay, sagutin natin si Daddy.
I don't ever slow up, no I don't take shit. I got no love for the fakeness. If you wanna play tough and wanna hate this, I'll always show up. I don't ever slow up, no I don't take shit. I got no love for the fakeness. If you wanna play tough and wanna hate this, I'll always show up and make a statement. I don't ever slow up, no I don't take shit. I got no love for the fakeness. If you wanna play tough and wanna hate this, I'll always show up and make a statement.
Everything I do so instinctive and so passionate. Every word I move so descriptive like an adjective. I got a vendetta against people who patented being negative when you should be getting after it. I got facts over tracks, this and that. Spitting slow, spitting fast. I could roast, I could gas. Think I'm okay at last, but I don't know if that can erase all the past. And the pettiness, a reflection of the emptiness. Hilarious, you think you're worth my time, you're delirious. Mysterious, because you hide behind a fake exterior. Inferior, you know I'll always be a bit superior. Get off of me, this ain't no humble brag. I want you to hear words, you can say them back. I want you to feel free from the chains at last, and to believe in what you got, it was built to last, yeah. Now that I've been put through hell, I never got anyone's help. I had to do it all myself.
I don't ever slow up, no I don't take shit. I got no love for the fakeness. If you wanna play tough and wanna hate this, I'll always show up and make a statement. I don't ever slow up, no I don't take shit. I got no love for the fakeness. If you wanna play tough and wanna hate this, I'll always show up and make a statement.
Gonna learn the consequence of being incompetent. Mental health is confidence, dreams and some honestness. I'm not here to save the day, that's for you to take away. I could play a million mind games, but instead I say something not illogical, something that is topical. Rub it on and watch it go, make yourself unstoppable. Dreams are irresponsible, but they're always possible. If you just believe, you could be so remarkable. Thoughts in my head.
Hi guys, we're in the pharmacy because I'm gonna check.
O, tanggalin mo jacket.
I'm gonna check my height.
And wait. Ay, gracias. Carissa. Come.
I'll go first right now.
No, you.
And what?
You. Stand up.
Can I get you like that?
Yeah. Without the shoes, nak.
Without the
Ano, bale, kun sapatilya. ¿Por qué? 18. ¿Cómo? Oh, 18, bebé. Pesa mucho ahora. Altura.
Your
Es normal para 5 años, ¿no? Sí.
turn, man.
Naya, my turn. Come on.
It's t-shirt.
Aquí. Or makinig namin, no.
Where?
Ayan.
This?
Esta.
Can I stand like that, Ma?
No, like that. Yeah. Oh, don't cover. Oh my goodness.
What?
60.
60?
So mucho. My.
We're 60, Mommy.
Huh?
We're 60.
Yeah, 60.
Where?
Entonces, no voy a comer mucho ahora. Nako guys, sa kwentuhan namin, nakalimutan ko nang i-video yung mga pinabagahe ko sa kanila. Pero andito sila, oh. Ewan ko kung mahabol ko pa. Ayan sila. Sila yung na-pick up ng mga gamit ko na balikbayan box. Check ko kung sila nga ba yan. Ayan sila nga. Yan yung mga box ko yan. Naipasok na nila yung iniilan. Oh, andito pa pala kayo. Ay, salamat. Bigat. Okay na. Ano sila? Ngayon lang naman. Ay, masarap. Saan kasama mo? Ay, hindi pala ito sasakyan nyo?
Hindi.
Asan na yung iba?
1, 2, 3, 4.
Andito pa pala kasi binidyo ko eh.
Okay.
Ayan na yung mga boxes ko. Buti na lang. Walang spacing.
So, may nakakuha na dyan.
May nire-recommenda ako kumari ko, hindi na natuloy. Ngayon ang nangyari, sinorender ko na wala ko nirekomenda. Kasi pwede sanang mag-rekomenda.
Okay.
Sinorender ko na.
Pag yung recommenda mo, pagbabayad, magkano yung...
Ano lang naman, deposit nila 604. Pwede ka nang tumira. Deposit lang, walang agent fee yan. Kaya maganda yung pagkakuha.
Maganda yun. Kasi pag may agent, babayaran mo pa kasi yung agent.
Wala. Ako swerte nga ako dyan eh. Hindi ko nga kalain nag-aantay ako nung bill ng tubig. Walang dumarating. Yun pala. Libre na sa komunidad. Kasama na.
Depende kasi sa mga patakaran ng ano.
Oo, maganda. Mura pagkakuha ko dyan.
Sana sila desi. Kaso lang, mas gusto nilang bumukod. Yung sila lang ayaw nang may kasama.
Ayaw nila may kasama. Maganda nga naman.
Yung sa amin naman, pero malaki yung ano kasi, yung salon namin. Isang kwarto lang, pero...
Isang kwarto?
Oo,
pero mas malaki. Doble nung salon namin.
Oo, doble yun.
Pwede yung gawin yung kwarto para por si kaso. Ano particular?
Oo. Apat lang kami. Yung...
Ilang anak, dalawa.
Kami.
Okay na. Kaya na.
Oo. Ayaw ano yung... At saka ano...
Ayaw niyang bitawan.
Ayaw yung bitawan dahil hindi magulo, hindi maingay.
Saan ba na area?
Dito sa Cartagena, parte po rin ng Salamanca. Malapit na kami sa Avenida America.
Layo-layo din pala kayo eh.
Sentro. Ang metro namin, Cartagena, Chico de Leon, Avenida America.
Alam ko yan. O siya.
Okay,
Nagtapon
sige.
ako ng basura kasi nagki-clearing din ako. At biyernes, turn over ko na yung bahay.
Yung microwave sa
Hindi. May nakabili na. Binenta ko lahat ng gamit ko. O siya, salamat Ray. Okay. Ayun. So yun po yung aking mga boxes. Yung 3 jumbo box, isang maliit at isang pinakamaliit, mga palo lang. Ano siya? Sa Pilipinas yun. O diba? So, unti-unti nang lumiliwanag ang bahay. So, guys, yun yung... Ay, nahulog. So, guys, yun yung yun yung boxes natin. Ngayon, pabalik na ako sa bahay.